Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to convert an image to a vector in Adobe Illustrator using image trace so you can scale your artwork without losing quality. First, import your image by go to File, then click Open and select your image. Next, click the image once to select it. This step is important because image trace only works on selected images. Click Image Trace. Illustrator instantly converts the image into vector paths. If it looks rough, don't worry. Next, choose a preset. For example, choose black and white logo for simple designs. Or choose High Fidelity Photo for detailed images. This tells Illustrator how much detail to keep. Now click the Expand button in the top bar. This turns the trace into real, editable vector shapes. You can now ungroup, recolor, and edit the paths freely. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.